In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer domain ownership GoDaddy tutorial. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move a domain from your GoDaddy account to someone else's so they can own and manage it. We'll walk through the sender's part first, then what the recipient needs to do to accept. Start by signing in to your GoDaddy account. Make sure you're in the correct account that currently owns the domain. It's a good idea to confirm the domain is active and that your contact details are up to date, since GoDaddy may ask you to verify your identity during the process. Once you're in, click your profile and head to My Products. In the My Products area, open the Domain section, then choose Manage All to open your domain portfolio. From the portfolio dashboard, look for the Transfer section and open it. Choose Transfer between accounts. This option moves a domain to another GoDaddy customer. No authorization code is needed for this type of transfer. You'll be asked for the recipient's email address and their GoDaddy customer number. Get these directly from the person receiving the domain and enter them carefully. If either one is wrong, the transfer won't match to their account. Next, decide whether to copy the current domain contact information to the recipient. If you copy it, the recipient can update details later. If you don't, they'll enter their own contact info during acceptance. Keep in mind that changes to registrant details can trigger a temporary lock on moving the domain to another registrar, which is normal and helps protect ownership. Send the transfer request. If prompted, complete identity verification. This could be a code sent to your device or email. After that, the domain will show as pending transfer out on your side until the recipient accepts. Now, for the recipient's part, they should check their email for the notification about the pending domain transfer. When ready, sign in to GoDaddy and go to the Transfers page. Open the Transfers in tab to see domains waiting for acceptance. Select the incoming domain and click Accept Transfer. Follow the prompts to confirm contact information and agree to the terms. DNS settings and name servers typically stay the same during an account transfer, so websites and email usually continue to work as is unless you choose to change them. Once accepted, the move completes, often within minutes. Afterward, the domain will appear in the recipient's domains list. As a final housekeeping step, the new owner should review renewal settings and contact info to ensure everything is correct. And that's the full process for transferring domain ownership within GoDaddy.